Welcome to our vast universe.
Let's travel 31.8 light years away from the Earth to the planet of burning ice, Gliese 436b. This planet was the first hot Neptune discovered and was among the smallest known transitioning planets in mass and radius. It was discovered in 2004 by using the radial velocity method. The radius of this planet is 25.2 million meters, or 15,659 miles, which is 4.33 times the radius of the Earth. Its mass is 1.52 times 10 to the 26 power kilograms, equal to 23.61 times the mass of the Earth. It makes a full orbit around its star, Gliese 436, approximately every 228,000 seconds, or 2.64 Earth days. Gliese 436 actually has a mass close to that of our star at 8.155 times 10 to the 29th power kilograms. Additionally, it has a relatively small radius of 292 million meters. The gravitational acceleration on the surface of Gliese 436b can be found using the equation g equals big Gm over r squared. It turns out to be 16 meters per second squared, while the gravitational acceleration of Earth is 9.81 meters per second squared. This means that Gliese 436b has a pull of 1.63 times the pull of the Earth. A 150-pound human being on Earth will weigh 244.5 pounds on this planet. That's almost 100 pounds more. Let's introduce a satellite that orbits 400,000 meters off the surface of our planet, the same height as the International Space Station. It would travel with a velocity of 19,900 meters per second, which can be found using the equation v equals the square root of big Gm over r. At this speed, it would make 10.7 revolutions per Earth day, calculated from the equation F equals v over 2 pi r, and the reciprocal of which is multiplied by the number of seconds in a day. This makes it slower than the ISS, which makes 15 revolutions in the same amount of time. Gliese 436b shares its name with its star, Gliese 436, a red dwarf star. Using the equation T equals the square root of 4 pi squared r cubed over big Gm, we concluded that the distance between their centers was 4,280,000,000 meters apart, which is a lot shorter than Earth's 149.6 billion meter distance from our Sun. In order to stay in orbit, this planet revolves around its star with a velocity of 118,000 meters per second, found using the equation v equals the square root of big Gm over r, which is approximately 4 times faster than Earth's orbiting speed around the Sun. Interestingly, the star Gliese 436 can be seen in the constellation Leo, the 7th astrological zodiac, represented by a lion. Have you been wondering why this planet is known as the planet of burning ice? It's because its surface is covered in ice, and its temperature reaches 712 degrees Kelvin. But how can ice exist on a surface with heat over 4 times the boiling point of water? Scientists conclude that it's possible due to the immense gravitational force that prevents the ice from evaporating. In addition, the ice on Gliese 436b has a special cubic crystalline molecular makeup, permitting it to turn into the so-called burning ice. As you can expect, life on this planet is impossible due to its scalding temperatures. If these conditions were to exist on Earth, every living thing would die immediately. Even the most resilient bacteria ever found can only resist temperatures of up to 400 Kelvin. Gliese 436b is a fascinating planet that scientists can gain knowledge from studying. Who knows how many more unique planets like this one are in our universe? Thank you for watching our introduction of the planet Gliese 436b.